Hello everyone, thank you for coming back for my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the temperature and have the explanation, some detailed function on this Vaillant Combi Boiler. What I have there is the Echo Fit Pure type, this one. It's very simple. There's a screen with LCD display and 4 buttons here, and there is a round button here. Some of your model may have a timer here or another switch on and off button. You see there is a circle, a, uh, a cover here for different types of the panel. This can be fit a push on and off button. This version is very simple, and it's a combi boiler. The best thing is it doesn't have the water tank compared with the old system. Some older system they have a water tank, so they store the water with temperature recommended like 65 or 75 degree to avoid some bacteria inside. They store the water and they heat up the water all the time on the day, so it will consume more energy. The combi boiler like this one or any other combi boiler is just a machine like this, and when you need the hot water, you heat it up. Bear with me the out of focus situation. So this I recommend people having a combi boiler if they have to change one, or they don't have many storage space like this one. Like my house is just a very compact space for a boiler to fit in. Okay. Boiler itself have the LCD screen here, grayscale, and you can see there is a like firing button here. On this one, the firing button is on and off. I'll try to turn it on now. You hear some sound, and the screen will turn blue. You see the symbol like a water tap here, and this one is the radiator. It shows the current temperature is 26 degrees. The water is currently 26 degrees without heating up. So when you have to heat it up, it's from 26 degrees to whatever the desired temperature you want to be. The bar here, you see the 2 dashed line and the fill up symbol like the grayscale. It should be stay between the lower limit to the upper limit of the bar. Bar is the pressure of the boiler, this whole system. We'll talk about the how to pressure up on the other video. So please subscribe my channel, and then you will receive the latest video for anything about this boiler. Okay, when I press the this button, this is the water type. The light is going off, dim. Now it's back to blue now. If you want to adjust the tap temperature, tap water, you press this one. It shows the temperature you want it to be. Like 50 degrees, you can adjust it plus or minus. Very simple. If you want it to be cooler, 42 is the temperature, just people feeling hot, feeling the water is hot or warm, you can say. For my personal recommendation, 50 is the water that people feeling a little bit hot and they try to avoid it. You can adjust it to up to 60 on my boiler, this one. This for freezing cold night. When I'm doing this video is October, November. So I usually adjust it to 40 something, 50 degree. Now it's daytime and I make it 45 for example. And the tick means you confirm it. So the temperature is set. So the water will be heated up from 26 degree to 45 when you use it. This is a back arrow, and the other one is the you can see the C is a comfort zone. Bed is going out of this menu, very obvious. And if I press this again on the right one, it says comfort, and you can press the plus button, put it on, and then you can make a tick to confirm it. Comfort is a function that the boiler pre-boils some water, the temperature up. So when you are using it, you don't have to wait for the long time for the water going into the pipe, going to the your first first floor bathroom, or to the loft. It travel a long time and a long distance of the pipe. So you wait maybe up to 1.5 minutes before you can get the desired temperature without the comfort. With this on, the boiler pre-boil the hot water, so they prepare for that. So you may have just wait for 10 seconds, for example. You can get a hot water when you're having a bathroom which they have the long distance from the position of the boiler. But the downside is that when they turn it on, the boiler keep boiling the water, keep heating it up on the daytime all the time. So it consumes lots of more energy. Personally, I don't use that because I rather wait, or I'm not using hot water much, just for bathing for a few people in the house, just for 2, 3, 4 baths a day. So it's not my choice. So I don't take it. If you like, you can take it. I turn it to off again. Make sure I don't have it. Okay, maybe I show you. If I turn it on, make a tick, you hear another sound from the machine, and then you're going back to the menu. There's a C here, means the comfort mode is on and it's flashing. Okay, better how to turn off is press the tab, come here once, it says comfort on, and then you can toggle from these two buttons, plus or minus, until you see the off. You can take it. Now it's off. Okay, some sound from the boiler, and back out to the main menu. There's a front menu. This is the C is not here anymore. The radiator, the pressure of the radiator now is off. It's the same. You can choose from 15 degree for my boiler. It may be different from what you have, to up to 75 degree. So the temperature is 26 degree in the environment. The ambient temperature it can be done to 10 actually, and under 10 is off. The ambient temperature is 26. If I make it like 40, then take it, and back to the front menu, it was showing like this. So it's function normally. The thing is, I want to tell is, if I adjust it to a degree like 10, press it. Okay, it will tell me the pressure range 0.5 to 3. It's representing the lower mark and upper mark, the range of the pressure here. So at the moment it's 1.3, it's between it, it's okay. And you press it, 10 degree, flashing. Okay, make it 11. Okay, so it's functioning. Back to the main menu, it's like that. If I turn it to off and confirm it, going out, you will have this symbol. This symbol means that I can imagine that maybe representing a house, and the inverted T is the radiator sign. It says that it won't turn on until you do something on the the setting. So it tells you that if it's kind of caution, or you can say message, to tell you if the outside temperature is like freezing cold, it will freeze the boiler, freeze the radiator, the pipe, etc. The boiler is fine, but you have to wait for the environment or the ambient temperature to a certain warmer temperature, than this is safe to turn on the radiator so the water can flow normally. Just kind of telling you this is not on, and this depend on the environment. This symbol is like that. It's a very useful one. Okay, the boiler is about that, very simple. This one, let me play about it. Play with it, nothing more. It's very simple. This one, thought about this button. I use this a lot because I don't turn it on all the time. I turn it on when it's required, like having a bath. And the season now is quite warm, and I don't need it to be on all the time, but regularly I will turn it on every day for showering. Okay, you see it's boiling because someone in the house is using I think it's tap water. The radiator is off. Someone uses tap water, and the symbol fire is on, and the tap was on, so it was functioning. Sorry, thought about this round button. Usually I press it to turn it off. I don't turn it on all the time. I just use it when necessary, because the energy bill is going up crazily this year. So I also recommend people, if they don't have to use it, to turn it off. When they have to use it, to turn it on. Just not doing this many times in a day, it doesn't hurt it, but it saves a lot of energy and environment friendly. That's good, right? So thanks for watching. In the coming video, next one, I may tell you how to adjust the pressure when it gets low, and it's very useful. You can do it by yourself at home, 2 minutes without a plumber. Yeah, please subscribe channel and share if your friends or who need it in this winter. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.